Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Learning Curve podcast. In our today's episode, Freshers Diary, we're going to talk about really stories, tips, and laughs in case in P as a fresher. I am Moses Olo, together with my partner Belinda Chen. Stay tuned till the end. Hope you will enjoy.
Thank you so much, my colleague Moses Solo. Being a fresher alive at KNCP is not that easy. You pass through several challenges before you adapt to the life at KNCP.
You said you came here, you passed through some challenges before you adapted to the environment at KSNP. Which are some of the challenges you passed through?
Like climatic change.
Climatic change?
Yeah.
How did it affect you?
It affected me because like it is hotter. Here in Mombasa it is hotter. In KCNP it is hotter than where I was. Like where I was there was cold, like it was raining, it was calm, windy, but here I find it difficult because it's hot. You cannot even sleep at night because it is hot. Yeah, you cannot sleep at night.
Was that the only challenge that you passed through when you came to KSNP?
No, there are many challenges like theft issues. Like when I was admitted, I paid for the hostel. Like there in hostel, people, students are men. Like in our room, we are six. But then when you, let's say you have a nice shoes, clothes, they just come. So you don't know who has taken your shoes, who has taken your shoes. So it is difficult.
So, climatic change and theft
Yeah.
are the biggest issues that you faced when you came to KSNP.
Yeah, those are the challenges I passed.
But now you have really adapted to the wow.
Yes, I have adapted to the environment. At least I can feel like I am home now.
So nice.
Thank you. What about you? How is life at KNC?
With me, though I've been passing through some challenges, but I'm seeing the life at KCP is so comfortable. I've been seeing so benefits, like free Wi-Fi and interaction with new students. So life is so comfortable here. As we summarize, I want to thank the KCNP management for making life so comfortable here. Again, I want to thank our listeners for tuning in. And, hope they will tune in during our next episode, and I hope they have really enjoyed. I am Moses Olo. Bye.
Bye.